Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to make these silver quilled jumkas in 5 simple steps. For this, we need some 5 mm silver color quilling strips, slotted quilling tool, glue, scissors, Junka mold, silver color paint, eye pins, Junka crowns, jump rings small and large, studs, some decorative stones, and a stone lace. We also need some pliers like round nose, flat nose, and cutting plier. Step 1. To make the stud, roll 1.5 strips into a tight coil. Here, each strip is 17 inches. Paint the coil with silver paint. You could just paint it on one side. To decorate the stud, flip the coil, apply some glue to the edges, then flip the stone lace and place it on the edge. Give plenty of time for it to dry. If you are using 3 mm strips for the stud, then you can directly stick it onto the edge without flipping the stud. Once the lace is dried, fix the stud to the back of the coil. Also, decorate the center of the coil with a stone. Now we are done with the stud. Step 2. To make the jumka, roll a tight coil of 8 strips. Place the coil onto the mold and start shaping it into a dome. Begin from the largest dome and move on to the smaller ones for a neat dome shape. To secure the dome shape, apply glue to the inner part of the jumka and allow it to dry. Before the glue dries, remove the excess glue from the hole. Once the jumka is dried, paint it with silver paint. At least 2 coatings is required. Allow it to dry for some time. Next, fix the crown to the jumka top. Step 3. To make the loop for the jumka, insert the eye pin into the hole and bend the pin using a round nose plier. Then, cut the excess wire with a cutter. Use the flat nose plier to make the loop. This step, however, requires some practice. Step 4. Now it's time to decorate the earring. I'm using white stones to decorate just to give that extra bling. You could pretty much use any kind of stones, beads, lace, anything. I'm decorating the crown with small stones. And then for the base of the jumka, I'm decorating it with alternate large and small stones. This completes the jumka part. Step 5. Our last and final step. We need to attach the jump rings to the loop for the stud to hold the jumka. For this, I am using 2 small jump rings as it gives better look compared to the larger ones. Open the ring, insert it into the loop and press the ring to close it. Similarly, insert the other ring into the first ring. Bling bling! Our silver earrings are ready. Go ahead and try making them. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.